Everybody loves macaroni salad, and we are making a different version today, Hawaiian macaroni salad. Let's start cooking. Let's prepare a very simple macaroni salad. Ito inspired by the Hawaiian-style macaroni salad, which is very simple because it is served as a siding to their barbecues and other dishes. Today, we're just making a bit more fancy by adding a little bit more than the usual. So, here, let's make the dressing. Sobrang simple ng dressing natin. Minced onions, red onions, celery, mayonnaise, good quality mayonnaise. And mix natin. And we will season with a little bit of salt and vinegar, paprika powder for a little bit of color, sugar for sweetness, and black pepper. So you have to check also the quality of the mayonnaise you are using. Kasi minsan, pag medyo ma-commercial mayonnaise na ginagamit natin, medyo matamis na siya. So don't add sugar anymore. So that's our dressing, no? Very simple dressing. I will also add here pineapple tidbits, drain. Very important, you drain it. Grated carrots. Let's taste our dressing. So ito siya. This is what I do, no? Before I mix my macaroni, which has been pre-cooked, titikman ko muna yung aking dressing para sigurado ako na balance na yung flavors. Kasi, minsan, inahalo na natin yung macaroni. Doon tayo magtitimpla. Matabang siya. Hindi mo na siya ma-adjust. Or, nag-add ka ng sugar, hindi na natutunaw yung sugar or ang salt kasi nahalo mo na siya, no? And to this, for a bit of meatiness, I am adding sweet ham. I will just dice my sweet ham. And pwede to para sa ating Pasko, no? Potlucks or whatever. Parties at home. Noche Buena. Medianoche. Ilang linggo na lang. Pasko na. But this one, even if it's at Christmas, because it's so simple to do, you can make it at home. You'll add part of our sweet ham, diced ham. The rest we will keep for topping. Yan. And look at that, no? Very nice, very creamy, maraming sahog. Add our macaroni noodles. And it's very important, when you cook your macaroni noodles, it is properly salted, no? Dapat may lasa yung water. Tinikman mo yung water na pinagkuluan mo sa macaroni. Malasa siya, maalat siya, so that malasa din yung pasta mismo. So when you taste the pasta, kahit wala pa siyang dressing, may konti na siyang flavor. Minsan kasi, nangyayari sa atin, hindi natin inasena ng tama yung ating noodles. So, no matter how much sauce or dressing we add, may kulang. Parang, there's something missing. It's the salt in your pasta. And we're done. Sobrang bilis lang. And we're ready to plate. But before that, titigman ko muna if I am happy with my salad. Perfectly to chilled. So, wag mong kainin agad. Tikim lang muna. Then keep it in your chiller for a few hours or overnight, and all the flavors will come together and it's going to be so perfect. Nice! Ganyan lang, simpleng-simple. Perfect for barbecues. Siding ng lechon, di ba? Pwedeng-pwede. Kahit pork chop na inihaw or liempo. And I have here, you can top with grated cheese. I am topping with freshly grated carrots for some freshness, di ba? Yan. Top with some ham and parsley. And here it is. Titikim tayo ulit. Perfect ba? Mas masarap to pag properly chilled na. Ang secret talaga ng masarap na macaroni salad is to add a bit of acidity into your mayonnaise. So, suka ban, kalamansi, or lemon juice para iwas umay, no? The sharpness, yung asim niya will cut the richness of your mayonnaise. Kaya eto siya, sobrang balance ng flavor, yung creaminess, yung konting asim, yung saltiness and sweetness, plus all the textures that we added to this salad, may fresh, may cooked, all is there. Here it is, our version of the very classic Hawaiian macaroni salad, leveled up a little bit with some added ingredients. Ang ating Hawaiian macaroni salad, simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!